Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to discuss about code for Turing machine. We need to assign binary codes for the Turing machine. So to represent a Turing machine M as a binary string, first we have to assign integers to the states, tape symbols and directions. So first assume the Q set of states are Q1, Q2 dot up to Qk for some integer k. Here the start state will always be Q1. We have to represent the start state as Q1. Suppose our Turing machine contains Q0, Q1, Q2, etc. Are the states Q0, Q1, Q2 means first we have to convert this into Q1, Q2, Q3. Because the integers we have to consider from 1, 2, 3. So first we have to map like this. Then for the tape symbols x1, x2 dot up to xm, for some integer m, we have to assign x1 to 0, x2 to 1, x3 to blank. So for example, the tape symbols are 0, 1 and blank. Then 0 must be mapped as x1, 1 is x2 and blank is x3. Then directions of the tape head. The directions are left and right move. So D1 must be assigned to L and D2 is R. Suppose one of the transition rules is del of Qi, Xj is equal to Qk XL Dm. After assigning these Q1, Q2, Qk, X1, X2 up to Xm and D1 and D2. Suppose we have the transition rule like this. Del of Qi, Xj is equal to Qk, XL, Dm. For some integers I, j, k, l and m. These are the integers. Means then we can write the binary code as 0 to the power I 1, then 0 power j 1, 0 power k 1, 0 power l 1, 0 power m. That means 0 to the power 1 or 2 etc. One number of 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros etc. Followed by a single 1, then 0 to the power j number of integer followed by 1 etc. We have to write like this. So this must be followed for each and every transition rule. Then for the entire Turing machine, so the Turing machine may contain any number of transitions, right? So suppose if we want to write the code for the entire Turing machine, then C1 two ones, C2 two ones, C3 likewise we have to write. C1 means code for one transition rule. So similarly C1 means code for one transition rule, first transition rule, then double one, code for the second transition rule, double one, C3 etc. So we have to write like this. So for example, consider this is a given Turing machine with a list of transition rules. So first we have to assign Q1, Q2 up to Qk for set of states, x1, x2 etc. for tape symbols, then D1 and D2 for directions, right? So we can rewrite these transition rules. So del of, here the states are Q1, Q2, Q3 only. So there is no need to change it to anything. Okay. So directly we can use the states. So del of Q1, 1. 1 means x2, right? So x2 equals Q3, then 0. 0 means x1. Tape symbol 0 represent x1. Then move is right move. Right move means we have to use D2. So D2. Similarly, we need to rewrite other transition rules as well. So Q3, 0, x1 equals Q1, tape symbol 1 means x2, right move D2, del of Q3, tape symbol 1 x2 equals Q2, tape symbol 0 x1, right move means D2, then del of Q3, blank means x3 equals Q3, 1 means x2 and L left move means D1. So now we have to convert these transition rules into binary codes by using this method. Okay, so 0 to the power I followed by a single 1 followed by 0 to the power j, etc. So here we have 4 rules. So first C1, we will write C1. C1 is 0 power 1. So 0 power 1, separator 1, 0 to the power 2, separator 1, 0 power 3, 1, 0 power 1, 1, 0 power 2. Next we need to write code for second rule. So C2 equals 0 power 3, 1, 0 power 1, 1, 0 power 1, 0 power 2, 0 power 2. C3 is 0 power 3, power 2, 0 power 2, 0 power 1, 0 power 2. Then C4 is 0 power 3, 0 power 3, 0 power 3, 0 power 2, 0 power 1. So now we have written binary code for each and every transitions. Then we have to write the binary code for the entire transitions by using this rule. So first we have to write C1, then double 1, C2, double 1, C3 and so on. So here we have 4 transitions. So the code for the entire Turing machine is 0 power 1, 1, 0 power 2, so 2 zeros, 1, 3 zeros, 1, 0, 1, double 0. So after writing C1, we need to write 2 ones. So 2 ones. Then we have to write C2. So 3 zeros, single 1, then single 0, 1, 0, 1, 2 zeros, 1, 2 zeros. So we have completed C2. So now write double ones. Similarly write C3 and C4. So 3 zeros, 1, 2 zeros, 1, 2 zeros, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Then double 1, we have to write this. 3 zeros, 1, 3 zeros, 1, 3 zeros, 1, 2 zeros, 1, 0. So this is the code for the Turing machine. So this is a particular code for this given example. Similarly, we can write for any example. Suppose here Q0, Q1, Q2 are given. First convert it into Q1, Q2, Q3. Then only we can convert it into binary numbers. Thank you.